Hello. The SmartScope has a lot of cool features. One of the most popular features is the time-lapse video option. And you probably know that you can go ahead and come up here and click the video camera to record a video. But you can also come over here and go into the video setup and choose the time-lapse option, and you can, when you close, that means it's off, means you're recording a traditional video. If you come in here and want to record something at 20:1 or 30:1, what that means is it'll record 30 seconds of video and it'll play it back in 1 second, or 30 minutes of video plays back in 1 minute. If you go down to 180:1, what this does is same thing, but you can record 180 minutes or 3 hours of video and it will play it back in 1 minute. Where this is really helpful is when you're watching seeds erupt, or you're watching a slow chemical reaction, but you really want to see what changes have occurred, or you're watching plants change and develop. For our purposes today, we're going to set this at 20:1 and we're going to click OK. Then we're going to come out, and what we have is simply what we're looking at here is just salt. And what I'm going to do is simply put a drop of water on our salt, and I'm going to come in and refocus on our salt, and then click record. Now I'm going to go ahead and move into the viewing area, and I'm going to double click so that I can see it in full screen mode. It makes it a little easier to see. You can see the particles flying off up here. When small kids are asked about salt dissolving, what happens to salt when you put it in water, they think that the salt disappears. Well, what happens is it actually breaks down into smaller particles, and you can see that actually happening here. You can see those salt particles flying off of that crystal. And so once this video is recorded, it'll reside right down here in our video section, and we'll be able to view it. We'll be able to do several different things with it. You can actually play it back in Windows Media Player. You can set it on a loop and do several different things with it. So we've recorded for about a minute, so I'm going to press stop. I'm going to press play to play that video back. And you can see that time-lapse recording of that salt dissolving. And the nice thing about the SmartScope and SmartScope viewer software is it saves it as a standard video file that can be played in Windows Media Player, and you can play this back and set it on a loop, because it's awful easy to miss. As always, if you have questions or need anything, don't hesitate to give us a call at 866-722-2051 or drop us an email at support@smartschoolsystems.com.